So this is part 2, how to install Windows 7 on your computer. First, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 7. These are 1 GHz or faster processor, 1 GB of RAM 32-bit or 2 GB of RAM 64-bit of available hard disk and space 32-bit graphics device with WWDM 1.1.0 or higher driver. Obtain a Windows 7 installation disk or USB drive for a retail store or download it from Microsoft website. Insert the installation disk or USB drive into your computer and restart your computer. Make sure your computer is set the boot from the disk of USB drive. You can easily access the boot menu by pressing F12 or another key during startup. To follow this on screen promotes the install Windows 7. Choose your language and other performance accept the license terms and select the installation type customer or upgrade. If you choose custom installation, you will be promoted to select on partition where you want to install Windows 7. If you have multiple partition on your hard drive, choose one where you want to install Windows 7. If you only have a partition, you can create a new partition by clicking the drive option advanced link. After you have selected the partition, click next and wait for installation procedure to complete. This may take a while depending on the speed of your computer. Once the installation is complete, you will be promoted to the setup your user account and other performance. Finally, install any necessary drive for your hardware and software and run Windows Update to install and available updates. That is, you have successfully installed for Windows 7 on your computer. Windows 7 installation DVD USB drive. A computer that meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 7. A product key to active your copy of Windows 7. Here are the steps for install Windows 7 on your computer. Insert the Windows 7 installation DVD or USB drive into your computer. Restart your computer and press the appropriate key. Enter the boot menu, usually F12, but it can't vary depending on your computer manufacturer. Select the DVD or USB drive as the boot device and press enter. Wait for the Windows setup load files. Select your language type and currency format and keyboard input method and click next. Click install now. Accept the license terms and click next. Choose the type of installation you want, upgrade or custom, and click next. If you choose a custom installation, select the partition or hard drive where you want to install Windows 7 and click next. Wait for the installation process to computer complete. Enter your product key when promoted and click next. Choosing your computer name and password and click. That is, once you have completed these steps, you will have a fully functional Windows 7 installing on your computer. So today the topic is my complete.